Siyempre, Kalagkan, congratulations sa kasal.
Oo, ma'am. Thank you.
Wala. Pero, Ryan, and congratulations. Ang laki na White Party Manila. Itong event na to, nakasama ang mentor. Is it the first time of mentor dito or lagi na to, Ryan?
Actually, nagsimula talaga po kami as event organizers. Bago po nagpasok ang mentor sa paggawa ng pelikula noong 2008, kami po ay gumagawa ng event sa mga bars sa Malate. So we've done series of white parties, black parties. So yung last namin was 2014, 12 years ago. So ito po, this will be the biggest. Yung last namin po, we nagawa namin sa Metro 10. Yeah, so this is not going to be the first time that we'll be having
So,
this.
tuloy-tuloy na to, Ryan.
Yeah, hopefully, ako, with the ambassadors po pala that we have, they volunteered to promote this event. So, natutuwa ako, and I think, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy siya. We're expecting around 20,000 participants on June 27th.
Yeah, okay, kasama dito, syempre si ang Kabol superstar, Vice na paano siya nang sali, siya ba nag-offer mismo or kinausap niyo siya?
I have to refresh everyone's memory. Si Mimi Vice dati ay talagang supporter na po namin. This is not her first time to be an ambassador to our events. The last that she did was the Black Party Manila. So matagal na po kami magkakilala ni Vice. And she is so excited about this edition coming back after 12 years.
Yeah, oo nga, kasi after 12 years coming back, parang sobrang laki, di ba, Doc? Yes, Doc. Yeah. Sobrang, sige. Yeah, sobrang laki na po, yeah. So what can you say?
Nagulat ako sa sobrang laki pa.
Hindi po kayo sinabi, mas malaki po ang pumunta sa inyo, although lumiit. So, pero ito pong event.
Yes po, sobrang laki po niya. It's so amazing kasi the Gen Zs never experienced this. They experienced the pandemic, but they never experienced a party how we millennials did party. Hindi na po kasi nila nakapunta ng Malate. Who did here experience Malate?
Sino na-experience? Sino dito ang magiging white party virgins?
Me!
Yan! Diba?
Totoo! Tingnan ko ng white party.
Kasi yung Gen Z ka journey.
Slide on the verge of.
Yeah, kasi po kami tayo may mga trend namin, iba pa rin namin na. So I just feel like, and I know that the new generations of young people deserves to know what white party is.
We've been partners with ourselves since they started with one clinic.
Yes, and it was in Malate.
Ilang clinic na kayo?
72.
They're taking care of 25,000, more than 25,000 patients. We know there is more. This will be a medium for awareness, and then mas marami tayong matutulungan.
It's so nice, no? Sabi mo nga, for awareness, di ba? Journey ka lang yes, isa ka sa ano dapat namin expect on June 27?
Ako nag-volunteer din talaga ako na maging ambassador because I believe that every effort from the LGBTQIA+ community should be given support. Kasi katulad nitong White Party Manila, di ba? Let's celebrate without fear. We are celebrating with purpose. So nakakatuwa that we partnered with Love Yourself. At sino pa bang susuporta sa mga ganitong klaseng LGBTQIA+ events, kundi LGBTQIA+ artists din. So nakakatuwa na everybody has come together to support White Party Manila with Love Yourself. Siguro expectations natin, party talaga tayo in June, di ba? And I'm sure maraming mga tao ang excited sa pagbabalik dahil nga 12 years siyang hinintay. So nawala siya ng 12 years, ano nangyari sa White Party? Dati bumbong ngayon sa Malate, di ba? But now, it's coming back. And it's coming back with a purpose. With partnerships and Love Yourself. So, next question? Yeah.
Hi, good evening. Vicky from Manila Standard. White Party was in hiatus for 12 years. So why did you think this is the best year to reignite White Party Manila?
personally kasi, when there's a lot of miscommunication regarding the HIV numbers going up, I think it's time that we use this as a medium na dito to spread awareness and then help those who are seeking help. Ang dami ko kasi naliligaw. And I think when community comes together, iba ko kasi ngayon ng social media. Dati kami, ako, isa rin akong prostitute dati, nung kabataan ko, nung college. So dati nagsasama-sama kami talaga dati. Ngayon po, there's no event. So we want to have this sense of community, bringing it back para mas maintindihan ng publiko. And then of course, mas makapagsama-sama tayo kasi ang daming mga professionals, maraming mga artists, na part of the LGBT community. Kapag nagsama-sama tayo, mas nararamdaman nila yung value natin. And then, lalo po ngayon, I think it's timely how toxic it is right now. I think it will be a breath of fresh air to see that our community is coming together, not just our community, but also our allies.
Thank you very much. Next question from Tito Simuna.
Ako na muna.
Thank you. Kay Dr. Vin muna. Paano nyo gagamitin yung event as an opportunity for love yourself?
Well, every event and every platform is always an opportunity for us to share awareness. And this is a very much not an exception, but an opportunity. Kasi po, yung mga bagets ngayon, bagets talaga yung tawag ko, no? Yung mga kabataan po ngayon, they're mostly on social media. And they hardly have time for them to meet other people, to talk to other people, to mingle with other people, and feel actually what being in a party is. Communicating, coordinating, socializing with people is very important. And napakagandang sync po nito together with our cause. Because love yourself is not just sexual health. It's really empowerment for the youth and the LGBTQIA+ people. And napakaganda nung in-highlight kanina ni Brian because the cases of HIV is increasing, but people have this idea of being invulnerable. And you know, when you reignite the fire, then minimix mo po yung fun with purpose. So yun po yung maganda na, kasi yung mga bagats ngayon, ayaw na nila pag masyadong hard sell. And it's something that we felt. Kasi lagi kami post, get yourself tested, empower yourself, ganyan. And some people come, pero may market pa rin na who are afraid kasi they feel like it's, you know, killjoy ka. So ito naman yung market para sa kanila.
Quick question lang kay Brian. Brian, paano nyo ginawa mas pang Gen Z itong event ito from parties from years back at saka hindi lang naman ito for LGBT, di ba? Everyone can attend.
Yeah, everyone that supports the community,
Thank you.
our allies are actually invited. Kung makikita niyo yung first initial lineup namin, yung so Ben, Maki, Marina Summers. Kasi dati, ang white party, hindi ko kailangan i-promote, to be honest with you. They just come. They know every last Saturday of June, wala silang ibang pupuntahan kundi yung white party. Tapos kami nung nag-organize, inaantay lang namin sila. So, but this time, of course, that's why we need the help of the press, we need the help of our influencers, and everyone here in the room to promote the event. Kasi syempre, from 12 years ago, halos di na nila naiintindihan what's the purpose of this. So that's the idea, and we really wanted the Gen Z, the millennials to be part of this event. That's why meron din kami mga offerings sa kanila na talagang magugustuhan nila. And for sure, it's gonna be a night to remember.
Thank you, Tito Jerry.
Sir Brian, yung mga ambassadors niyo, for the record, meron bang talent fee, meron bang honorarium, o may XP or what?
Wala po. Ito po ay they believe in the cause of white party. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil marami sa kanila ang tumugon sa aming kahilingan. And I think along the way, there will be more. After this media event, we wanted to work with everyone that we can work with that want to be part of this event. So, hindi po dito nagtatapos. Sila po yung mga initial na nag-spark ng re-ignite na ito. And we're still inviting everyone who wants to take part of this event.
Yung mga ambassadors mo.
Yeah, sa Love Yourself po, every one of our KOLs, they provide their services for free. Actually, people like Mia and Catriona, they actually even spend para mag-create sila ng campaign. These are really amazing people who are using their platforms for good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Jerry. Next question from our friends from the media. Pwede rin naman magtanong yung mga guests natin. Kung meron kayong question para kay Doc Vin and Brian, feel free to ask. Everyone is encouraged to ask questions. Ako, may tanong ako muna. Kasi normally, kapag mga pride events, you love yourself, meron silang parang on-site testing. May mga ganun ba kayong paandar dito sa ating white party?
Hindi pa namin na-finalize with Pride, pero kasi may mga party na party.
Oo.
Kasi ako, I believe that Pride is both a protest and a celebration.
That's true.
So, every week during Pride Month, merong ganap, di ba? Kami usually ang opening song ko, sila yourself. Ang white party ang music. Parang ganun yung dating niya. And, depende siguro sa magiging situation. Kasi ayaw ko naman pumaparty-party sila. Tapos positive siya. Correct.
Oo.
Wrong, di ba? So, siguro more, magbibigay kami ng condoms, and loops, and then
Self-testing kits.
yeah,
Kasi
we also give self-testing kits. So something that we can do, siguro kung na lang on-site yung actual
Yes.
pag-iusok.
Kasi may napuntahan ako dating ganun sa Omar yata. Tapos sa side, you can go there and have yourself tested. I mean, it's a good effort, di ba? Kasi syempre, nandun ka na, or kunyari, takot ka, hindi uminom ka muna, tapos pag medyo, confident, and
Correct.
test ka, di ba? But it's really up to our, guests, di ba?
Maganda rin naman talaga na may option yung people. It's just that the design of Love Yourself is, kagaya nila, Bert, parang happy
Happy
muna.
muna.
Tapos mamaya na tayo mag-usap, pero these are the tools that we can use.
That's nice.
And then, to add to that, actually, hindi lang alam na nakakalaman. Testing is very accessible now.
Yeah.
And then, that 75 clinics na kayo all over the country. So that's what we wanted to promote. So at least, not just conduct event, but basically, at least mas malaman nila they have that option. And napakadali na ngayon conduct.
And also, we have a virtual clinic now. Wow, Jervy. Kasi dati, may mga bagets na ayaw magpunta eh. So, instead of them going for 72 clinics, they can now visit Embrace Virtual Clinic. So, message lang sila doon, papadala na namin yung test kit sa kanila. Tapos pag nag-negative sila, kung gusto nila ng prep, papadala lang na namin yung prep sa kanila.
That's good to know. Any questions? No more na? Wow, thank you very much. Now it's time.